Hello, I'm at 4020 20th Street in the Mission Dolores neighborhood, and it's that 4,000 block of 20th that's just so private. It overlooks the whole city. It's incredible. I'm going to take you through this house because it needs love, but the lot is remarkable. It has views of the city, an amazing location. So I'm going to do this as quickly as I can. So anyway, here we go. Here it is, 4020 20th Street. You can tell that it's a much wider lot than is typical. And again, this block of 20th is just gorgeous. Single family homes, very picturesque. So we're gonna head inside quickly. So there you can see the Salesforce Tower and great views. But there is this really deep backyard that's just stunning. Okay, so we're gonna head inside. Okay, so main level, beautiful living room. Like, look how big this is. Now, it needs a renovation for sure, but the bones are remarkable. Great dining area. Open to the kitchen already. Look at all the light in the windows, coming in the windows. Another like breakfast nook. Lots of built-ins. Of course, this opens to a deck. And then there are stairs down to the yard. And there's the view of the city. This yard is just so pretty. I'll show that to you again upstairs because you can get a better view. Okay, so I'm going back inside. Through here is a bathroom. The woodwork is just remarkable. And I said all the views, like look out these windows. Incredible city views and of the water and the bay. So this is the staircase. So small bedroom here, which would be a great home office or nursery. Bedroom in the front, overlooks the street. There's a laundry room up here already, which is nice. Bathroom, subway tile. I mean, this has been updated, but someone's gonna gut it and do it again, most likely. Bedroom number 3, also a good size, and this has those beautiful views. And you have views of the city, just remarkable. And then at the back, bedroom number 4, which is very spacious. So this is the primary suite, closets, ensuite bathroom. Again, someone's gonna totally redo this, but great downtown views, Salesforce Tower, Transamerica Pyramid, and then back in the bedroom and you walk out into the deck. Look at that. Wow, gorgeous. And then see the yard. This lot is so beautiful, very, very private. It's like a little slice of heaven up here. So back at the front, if you go along the side to the yard, there's an entrance to the lower level, and this has a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. So great for guests, an au pair. And then I'm gonna walk you back. Look how beautiful this garden is. Ah, it's just so gorgeous and mature. So pretty. And then this is the back. So romantic. Romance in San Francisco. Okay, that was it. 4020 20th Street in the Mission Dolores neighborhood. Wow, so much potential. Thank you for joining me for the tour. Take care. Bye-bye.